Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So yeah, ADA has sold off quite strongly. We are still, I would say, in this channel. We have not really substantially broken it. Of course, it could get a bounce from here, but at the moment the support that we have here is not really strong. So the expectation would actually be for confirmation to the downside, in line with my primary count, which is the yellow one. Yeah, if you remember from my previous videos, I told you that most likely, or at least I cannot see a signal that ADA has already bottomed. So the view is further downside, with ADA finding support somewhere here around that 32-33 cent level in the yellow count. So basically wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, wave 4 up, wave 5 down. Remember up here I told you that it's an ideal time for ADA to turn around for the primary count, because we retraced to the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level of this wave 1. You can see that we hit perfectly the 32.8 cent level, the 88.7% Fib level. It was an ideal time to turn around, which we did. Now we're hovering around 31 cents, and we invalidated one possible bullish setup. We still have the white count, which would be a bullish count. We're going to talk about that. But again, the bullish count that I'm showing you here, and I mentioned that before, it is very low confidence. And until I see the 5 waves complete, I'm not going to believe that ADA has bottomed. So we're going to stick to the yellow count at the moment. Again, here are also various interpretations. But as long as we are staying below 33.2 cents, this yellow count is valid. So that we, from this wave 4 high, which was at 43.8 cents, we came down in a wave A already. We moved sideways in a triangle wave B, and we're going to come down in a C wave. And this C wave is this 5-wave move I just showed you. And we can go with that. Target for the wave 3 continues to be around the 26-27 cent range. So let's just double check that. Yeah, 27 cents would be the ideal target for the wave 3. Let's see if we actually get there. Target for the wave 5 remains around the 22-23 cent mark. Did I say dollars? No, cent. So 27 cents for the wave 3, around 22-23 for the wave 5. Yeah, we can go with that as long as we stay below that 33.2 cent level, which is the high of the B wave here. Again, this is the bearish count, and we are, as per the bearish count, we are most likely already in a third wave. What would confirm this is basically the strength of this sell-off. Typical for a wave 3. Doesn't need to be. We haven't broken any critical support levels yet, but if we break below this 30 cent level, then it's very likely we're heading down to the 27 cent range. So that's the yellow count, the immediate bearish one. One more look here maybe at the, especially the 4-hour, it's quite relevant. The 4-hour RSI, we're not yet oversold. So there is still some more downside potential before we should expect a bit of a bounce. Because bear in mind, the wave 3 in itself consists of 5 subwaves. It's not like one straight line. So there will be ups and downs in there as well. We also have the white count here. That is still the bullish count. Again, not high confidence, very clearly not high confidence. And in the bullish count, we can now count the entire move up here. Not here as a 1. I did have it as a 1-2, possible 1-2, but this has come down a bit too low now. So I'm looking at possibly counting the entire move as a wave 1. And then we are now in a wave 2. But again, the likelihood and the probabilities here, they don't really, again, a leading diagonal in itself is already low probability. I mean, it's not high reliability in terms of working out as a bullish pattern, because a move like this can easily be a bearish corrective move, okay? So I'm going to show you the bullish count, because the possibility exists that ADA does rally from here, but it's just something that I don't really believe until I see 5 waves to the upside. So what could be is that this was a wave A down, a wave B up, and we're now coming down the C wave of wave 2, again, but then it really needs to start to turn around from here, because if it drops much lower, I mean, there's one more key support level, which is basically the 30.2 cent level, the 78.6% retrace. But if we go below that, no confidence anymore at all in the bullish count. Already now, it's low confidence, okay? Just that you understand that, yes, bullish count is possible, and a long trade can, of course, be entered. We're now deep in support, yeah? So the reward to risk ratio is probably quite decent, but the entire pattern in terms of likelihood of it working out is quite low, because this wave one, possible wave one, is only a leading diagonal at best, and the move down, to be honest, looks quite impulsive. So I don't really have a lot of confidence this is going to work out. I will believe it more if we break above the wave one high, which is at 32.9 cents. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.